friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Oh, I'm so excited. I have so many things, guys, like so many things in so many categories. I almost thought about doing this in a couple videos because I have craft things and I have household things and I have summer things and I have beauty things and I just have a lot of things. I just have a lot of things, but I decided, who has time for that? Let's just dig in and let's just see all the things. Okay, so the first item that I got was this bag. Now, disclaimer, I do not typically like the Dollar Tree reusable shopping bags. I have found that they tear really easily, and so I don't, maybe I just overstuff them. Probably a true story, but I just have found that if I'm trying to use them to haul groceries or anything, you know, very heavy, the handles rip out. They just rip really easily, and so I'm not a big fan of them. You know, I love reusable shopping bags, and which is why I buy them, but I kind of feel like they're pretty heavy plastic. If you're only going to get a couple uses out of them, probably not saving the environment. But I went ahead and took a chance on this one because it's so cute. They had another one. I don't know how many of these different Americana type 4th of July summery bags that they had. They did have another one that said Land of the Free or something, and I really liked it, but it was kind of all crinkled up. I don't know. It didn't look the greatest. It was the only other one they had, so I didn't get it, but I did get this, so here's to hoping I can be easy on it. I think I'm just really hard on it. Really hard on it. Okay, so first off, some planner things. Oh my gosh, I love planner stickers. Y'all know how much I love my Erin Condren. There's a link for that below. I love planner stickers, and I like functional planner stickers. I love to decorate my planner, but I just want it to be functional. You hear me? I know there's a lot of people who really go all out and decorate, but it's not functional, and I just can't do that. I said happen because I read the word. You know. But yes, so anything that's cute and functional, yeah. So these are so cute. I hauled these, it's been a month or two ago, but they were different ones. So these are new. Now I have seen some people hauling some other planner stickers that my Dollar Tree has yet to get. I'm sad about this. And you know what? My husband went to, took our son to a martial arts class in a different town tonight, and they have a much better Dollar Tree. I should have volunteered to go with them. Maybe next week. Anyway, look forward to another video next week. Maybe it'll be better. Anyway, so these are super cool. Now, this one has, again, they're functional. This one says, take note, don't forget, get it done. Oh, I love the little triangle things. What are those? Chevrons. Oh my gosh, I had to work today, guys. It's been a long day. Make it happen. Yeah, there's yay, day trip. Oh, I like that one. Yes. And then, so that is what that looks like. On the back, I'll flip it over and show you, but it says TGIF. It's got some fry. Oh my gosh, you have to see this one. So it says, let me see. See if I can see this one. So it says Friday. Oh my gosh, I love that one so much. Party fun, some sunglasses, make things happen. I love this sticker sheet, guys. $1. It's 300 planner stickers for $1. Oh my gosh, these are just such a good deal. Okay, so this is another one. Both of these are kind of budget kind of friendly ones and travel. I don't know. They have a lot of different ones, but I love the pay bills. I just ordered a new Erin Condren Deluxe planner for our yearly budget planner, so I'm excited about that. Pay bills. It also says brunch, dinner, must have coffee. There's some, there's a bunch of payday ones. I like little payday stickers. We all like payday, right? A birthday thing, some different not beach, it says brunch. Got beach on the mind. I am ready for summer. Okay, so there is that. Can you see it? Now on the back of it, it has like some mani-pedi ones, some shopping ones, meeting, errands. I'll flip it over just a second. But yeah, it has some other. Guys, these are like the best planner stickers ever. Okay, so these look like they're very similar to the other one. They're just like in different colors. They have a few different ones. These have reminders, like remember instead of the birthday ones. And they have some by, oh my gosh, they're just everything, guys. Again, 300 stickers, $1. Can you see that? I always feel like I'm like off of the camera. Oh, I love the Friday ones. Those are so funny. Some birthday ones, some pays. They do have some birthdays, but they're not, they're just different. Like this one has a place to write them in, and this one just says birthday. So, oh my gosh. But yeah, so these were the 3 new ones that I found. They had some more, but I already had those. And so these are the 3 new ones that I found. The next thing I bought was a swim ring for my son. My son is 9, and he is a decent swimmer, but he still likes to have some kind of floaty just so that he has a little bit more freedom in the pool, things like that. He still struggles a little. So anyway, we went to the pool last week and we didn't have one, and yeah, I mean, he did fine, but he missed having a swim ring, and he has like a boogie board or whatever, but it doesn't work as well at the pool as it does like at the beach. And so when we were at the beach, he used the boogie board, and it was perfect. It works better than these, but at the pool these work better. But anyway, this one just got like a little monster. Isn't that great? Like, and they're only $1 if it gets a hole in it or whatever. Not a big deal. Okay, so this next one, don't you hate when people like save their favorite item for last? I'm not that. I just grab things out of the box. This is one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. And it is 30 by 30. It was in the baby section if you're looking for it. It's a fleece blanket. So it is 30 by 30. I think it looks so farmhouse, guys. So farmhouse. I am going to put like our name or maybe a farmhouse saying or something, and like drape it over the back of the couch. I can't even get it, but oh my gosh, they had in the like buffalo plaid type thing, they only had the gray, which I love the most anyway. They did have some hearts and different things, but yeah, guys, $1. Are you kidding me? I'm all about this. Love this, love this. Another thing I bought for my planner were these little sticky notes, and it's coming up kind of weird colors in the camera, but yeah, these are like, they're smaller, and I love these for my planner because a lot of times if I'm not sure about where something's going to go, or especially when I'm like, I try to like plan out my YouTube videos, I'm really terrible at it. I need to be one of those that like posts on a schedule, and y'all know when everything's gonna be, and I'm just like flying by the seat of my pants, just trying to share with y'all. That's just real life, right? But in a perfect world, I would use these to plan out my weeks. I do have on my planner, I will write video ideas, and then I will stick them on the square, and then if it really happens, if I do get it filmed and edited, then I will take it off and write it actually in pen in my actual planner, and if not, then I can move it to a different week. And honestly, like right now, I feel like I have a whole bunch around the side because I'm like, I don't know where to put them. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do all of them. But I have so many craft projects I want to share with you guys. Anyway, so these are great, and you get 300 sticky notes, 4 different colors for $1. This is a fun, I need to do like a video on like summer crafts and things. I saw this sunglass case. Now, Catherine from Do It on a Dime, she uses these in her purse to separate things out, and they would be perfect for that. I'm actually going to use this for my sunglasses because I feel like they're always getting scratched up. Not that I buy expensive sunglasses, because y'all know your girl is cheap. But I just think that this would be cute with either my name or something fun for summer. You know, I thought about like Follow the Sun or just something cute for summer on that. Anyway, I loved that. They had a lot of different colors. I chose this one. So a couple kid crafts. We have been doing some summer fun activities. I need to do a whole video on all the summer fun activities that you can do. But we've been doing all kinds of things like the Kids Bowl free and the pool and the dollar days at the movie theater and everything free at the library that they have going on. Just anything we can do that's all like just a couple bucks or less. And I bought these. My son loves to build things, and so I thought these would be cute. One is a sailboat. He really likes that. And then one, it has like wind chimes, and so I think that he'll really like this. Another summer activity I got, our town is starting this like rock group, like where you like hide little rocks and different things. And I thought this might be really cute. And it is a turtle, and it comes with like the 4 paints. And so for $1, you get the, which I mean, I have a ton of paint. I don't know, like, why did it come with 2 whites? Or maybe one of them. Oh, one of them is glitter. Oh. So, that's interesting. So it comes with this one. They did have different colors in all of them, but it comes with 3 colors and then a little thing of glitter. So that's kind of neat. But then it comes with your little rock turtle. Isn't he adorable? And a little tiny paintbrush. And so, yeah. So anyway, for $1, this makes a really, really cheap summer craft, a little summer project to do. He's going to like that. They had a ladybug and some other ones, but I thought this is the one that he would actually like. Moving on with some more craft items, I bought some sponge brushes. The Dollar Tree foam brushes are not the best. They're not. I like other ones better, but there's 8 of them for $1. And again, I often forget to go over and get them when I'm at Walmart or something, so I picked up those. It's my dog howling. He usually only does it with sirens, so I don't know what that was about. I didn't hear anything. Anyway, moving on. So I got some of these. I keep, I've showed with you before that I get really bad headaches, and so I do sometimes keep an actual bottle of Excedrin and a travel bottle of like Aleve and things like that in my purse just in case. But I really actually like these individual ones, and I like to put them in just in our hiking bag and things. Sometimes if I'm just out in the sun way too long, I just get a migraine, and so these are great, lifesaver. So I got a couple packages of those. I did get, I don't have my nails done right now, but you guys have seen me haul some of these. I have been really liking these. I love getting my nails done, but we're in, doing the Dave Ramsey, the baby steps, and I'm trying to cut out that expense. So this is one of the things that I am just trying to switch to, and I feel like they last like 5 or 6 days, and I'm really, really liking them. I thought this would be a fun summer thing. These are little umbrella picks for your drinks, and I just thought that these would be cute in some lemonade and some just little drinks or some mom and dad drinks. But even for the kids, for their drinks, super cute. And you get 16 of them for $1. Fun, fun. Speaking of nails, I did get a couple nail polishes because I have all my nail polishes like drying up because I just don't paint my nails very often. I'm not good at it, guys. I'm just not good at it. But as I have been doing the press-on nails from the Dollar Tree, my nails are starting to grow out a little bit more than when they had the acrylic ones and things. And so I'm painted them a couple times and really liked it, but I needed some more nail polish, so I got these. They're LA colors, and I got this, like, oh my gosh, it's like this bright pink. I love it. I don't even know if you can see just how like true the color is. Hold on one second. Yeah, super cute, super cute. And then I got this blue. I like blue. I like it for police events and different things like that. So I thought that would be a really good thing. I bought these to try. I don't remember if I have not tried these before, but these are off Deep Woods. They're towelettes. Now, my son is really allergic to mosquitoes. Like, he just swells up, and so I keep a lot of sprays, and I'm gonna try to make some more like all natural sprays. We're gonna try a few different recipes just because he is so allergic to them. Like, not like allergic like stop breathing, like EpiPen allergic, at least not yet, but he does swell up really, really bad with them. But I feel bad like putting chemicals on him all the time, but I also don't want him to swell up, you know what I'm saying? So it's a really hard thing for a mama. So anyway, these have 2 individually wrapped towelettes, and I thought these would be good because sometimes we just don't know that we're going to be somewhere, we're going to be out, you know, very long or something like that. And I've kept some bottles in the car, and sometimes I don't ever want to like keep the aerosol ones. I'm afraid that they're going to like explode in the car. It probably won't, but you know what I'm saying. And the other ones kind of evaporate or they'll get spilled. Anyway, I thought these were a really great deal. It also says coupon inside, so I'm kind of excited about that. So because we do use a lot of off, maybe it has a coupon in it. Let's just open that up. Oh yeah, it's a save $1. Yeah, so anyway, but this is what they look like. And so yeah, I just think that these will be really great, and just stick in my purse, because again, sometimes we're like, oh, I didn't know we were going to be playing this long outside, or I didn't know it was going to be near water, or whatever. Anyway, this will hopefully, I got 2 of them to try out. There's 2 in each one, so that is 4 for us just to try out. I bought batteries because, let's face it, like, batteries are just, we have reusable batteries, or the rechargeable batteries. They're never like charged up anyway. I don't even know, I don't know where all of our batteries go. Anyway, the kids are always using batteries, so I bought some batteries. And the last 2 items I bought were for me. They're just kind of some HBA things. I bought these coconut bath bombs, coconut oil and sea salt. You get 3 for $1, which I think is a super good deal. And these smell, anything in this like packaging, guys, smells so good. And I don't normally buy their lotion, because I do normally buy Bath and Body Works lotion, and I don't go through a lot of lotion. It takes me a while to go through a bottle. But this was coconut and rose oil, and oh my gosh, it just smelled so good. I had to have it. So I did get that. Okay guys, so I know that was a whole bunch of random things. We have summer things, we have craft things, we have summer activity things, we have HBA things, we have all the planner things, we have lots and lots of things. But I am so glad that you came and spent time with me and shared with me. I've been watching some hauls, and you guys are getting some really, really great things, some things that my Dollar Tree doesn't have yet. So I'm excited. Hopefully they will get them. We don't always have the best Dollar Tree. We don't have the worst one. But we don't have the best one. But anyway, guys, thank you so much again for spending time with me. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys with more videos. Bye.